This 2014 Airstream Bambi 16RB Sport is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 16 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, spare tire kit, awning, DVD player, external shower, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Airstream Bambi 16RB Sport is 3,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.